Hey everybody, Mr. Stanford here, enjoying a nice cup of tea. Celestial seasoning, Bengal spice, quite delicious. I want to show you what you're doing in class today while I'm not here. It's this assignment right behind me, Google Earth Scavenger Hunt, which you should find on Google Classroom. When you open it up, you are going to be going to Google Earth. So what you're going to do is you're going to open that up and click on that tab and it will take you to Google Earth. Now, when you get to Google Earth, it's going to be, if you've used Google Earth, it's going to be wherever you were last, but probably you'll just see the Earth floating in space. You can zoom in and out. You can click on the compass, which is right behind me, to point yourself north. And you're going to go back to our scavenger hunt now. So we need both of these tabs open. You can see the directions here, and you're going to need to take some screenshots to place on this document. You can see you're going to hit Control, Shift, and Show All Windows at the top there in order to do that. And all you need to do there is go around the world and collect screenshots from different locations. Question number 1 right here says go to Cedar Brook and take a screenshot. So if I go back to Google Earth in the next tab over, I'm going to start typing in Cedar Brook, and you can see it'll pop up right behind me. And as I fly to Cedar Brook Middle School, you should see some features of the school come into focus that you might recognize. Here we are zooming down, and there's the blue track, there's the school building, and I'm slowly circling around. Now to stop circling, you can hit that 2D button that's down here in the corner that I'm pointing to. Hit that, and now I'm straight above the school. I can close the window that's above me to give myself a little more view. And now I'm going to try to get a screenshot of the school. Now I'd like a screenshot right in front of the school rather than from above. So I'm going to hit this little icon right here that looks like a person. That's our Street View icon. Now when I click it, you'll see it turns orange, and then all the streets that are usable in Street View turn blue. I'm going to click on a section of the street right in front of Cedar Brook, zooming down in front of the school. And then here is Cedar Brook Middle School. I can click and drag to get a 360 view. Now remember, in the scavenger hunt document, we have instructions on how to take a screenshot. You hit Control, Shift, and Show All Windows, and then that will allow you to select a portion of your screen and take a screenshot. So I'm going to do that on my computer, Control, Shift, and Show All Windows, and then you don't see what's happening on my screen, but it's selecting an area of the screen, which I can then grab. And the cool thing you can do now is just hit Control V, where you put your cursor where you want it to appear, and it's on your computer's clipboard once you take the screenshot. When I put the cursor down there right below number 1 and hit Control V, that screenshot appears on my document, and I'm finished with number 1. So it's really that easy. Now I can search by the name Cedar Brook. I can also use these numbers here, which are called coordinates, latitude and longitude. So this location, I need to put that location that I just highlighted in there and take that over to Google Earth. Now notice what I highlighted. I'm going to zoom in here and highlight just what I want. It's just the number and up to that last letter E. Do not include the period, okay? That's the end of the sentence. If I hit copy on that and go back to Google Earth, I want to go out of Street View by clicking the arrow at the top of the screen, zoom out a little bit. I'm going to unselect Street View, and then I have my search window at the top again, top left of the screen. I'm going to just clear my last search and put in, you can see the coordinates that I just copied. I'm going to put those in. Hit enter, and now I will be going to my next location. Now, as I'm flying out of Cedar Brook, I'm going all the way around the world, and I'm zooming in right on the Red Sea in Africa. Now, here in Africa, I'm seeing a mysterious formation in the desert. I honestly don't even know what caused this or what that is, but I see a spiral formation. You can take a screenshot of it. You can hit the 2D button right here to go straight above it. And you can see it there. Take another screenshot and place it. Or in this case, it just says, what do you see? So describe what you see there in your own words. All of these have either the name of a location that you can search in Google Earth or coordinates. It might be something like the Pentagon. You can just literally type in the Pentagon into Google Earth, take a screenshot, okay? So your goal is to get, if you're just starting this today, to get at least half of it done. That's 12 questions. If you're continuing on this today, your goal is to finish it up, okay? So if you started it the previous day in my 5th period. 6th period should start this and get at least half done. Now, if you're in my 5th period and you started this yesterday, there isn't a Google Earth extension that's posted in there, so you can go on to that once this is done. Good luck and happy hunting, Google Earth. It's more fun than you think. See you soon. And have a great weekend.